Good morning, children. History model set number 1 for class 7. All the questions are of 2 marks. You have to learn each of them. The topic is when, where and how. Now come to the question. Define important terms. First term is manuscript. Children, as you know, handwritten documents, books or any record are known as manuscript. Second, chronicles, a series of events in a factual and detailed way is known as chronicles. Third point, numismatic. The study of coins is called numismatic. Fourth, epigraphy. Children, as you know, the study of inscriptions is known as epigraphy. Fourth, medieval period. A period of India or a period of Indian history from 700 AD to 1750 AD is termed as medieval period. Now come to next point, early medieval period. From 8th to 13th century is known as early medieval period. Now come to point next, late medieval period. From 13th to 18th century is termed as late medieval period. Now children, the next term is biography. Biography is an account of person's life written by a different person. Now children, come to next point, travelogue. Account written by a traveler is called travelogue. Now children, come to the next point, autobiography. Account of a person written by himself is called autobiography. Now children, come to the next point, that is Indo-Islamic culture. Children, as you know, with the arrival of Mughal, that was the period of 16th century, a new religion, Islam, and new language came India. This culture is known as Indian Islamic culture. Children, now there are two sources of history, archaeological sources and literary sources. I have already discussed about both of them. The first is literary sources, data in a written form or the source which is received as in the form of written is called literary sources. Now children, come to the next sources, archaeological sources, data of the past with evidence such as monuments, caves, coins, jewelry, pottery, buildings, monuments, etc. Now children, come to next point or next question, what are different names of India? The different names of India is as follows. First, Jambudvipa means the land of Jambu trees. Second, Al-Hind. Third, Hindustan. Fourth, Tenzuki. Fifth, Aryabhatta. Now children, it is known as Bharat or India. Now children, following are some books and their writers. They are valuable resources of our Indian history. First, Raj Tarangani, written by Kalhana. It is a book about the story of Kashmir. Second book, Shahnama by Firdausi. And children, now the famous, most important book of Indian history is Tariq-e Doshi by Mehnaz Us Siraj. In this way, children, you have to learn all of the point. In the test examination, these points converted into question and comes with 2 marks. For example, the question first is, handwritten documents, book or any record is called manuscript. Is the statement is true or false? You have to write it true. In this way, from 15 points, many questions can be written in the test examination. You have to learn all of these points. Have a nice day.